Hey makers, today we're here with Brain Builders to show you how we collaborated with them to empower the next generation of makers.
Yeah, we're excited here today. My name is Shane with Brain Builders STEM Education. I welcome OMTech to come in and check out what we're doing with OMTech lasers, and we're excited here to show you guys what we got. So hopefully you guys come on in and let's get started on the tour.
So can you tell me a little bit more about who Brain Builders is?
Sure, absolutely. Yeah, here at Brain Builders, our vision is to empower students to think independently and achieve their goals. And we want to try to inspire the next generation of learners through technology, through hands-on learning, and not just throw the book at them. So here we have a lot of fun building stuff, soldering, laser cutting, 3D printing, and just using technology to have fun with the kids.
Nice. Can we get a tour today?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. First one, come on in here. This is our computer lab. So in our computer lab, a lot of the kids, whenever we need more computing power, we're in here. We do digital arts, we do CAD design, we do video game design, coding, and of course the kids love it in here. And the best part is during breaks they get to come in and play video games as well too, right?
All right, so what's this space?
All right, this space, whenever you need more room to do classes, whether it's robotics or chemistry, all the hands-on stuff, we're in this big room over here. We call this our lab. It's our big lab area, and let me walk you through. So up front here, we got a lot of cool things, but up front here, you'll see we have our 3D printers. We have all of our filament spools here that kids have access to. We have our 3 big Delta machines, and we're getting more 3D printers on the way, but we have classes where we teach the kids how to design, and they can print stuff out and take it home with them from keychains. And we like to have fun, so if you notice, we have a bunch of Lego stuff up top, and then even on our back here, we have our big Game Boy that we've made, which is pretty cool because our Game Boy here, or our big game right here, is the kids can design an actual video game and pop it up on here, and they get to come and play it. So super fun for the kids to highlight what they've made and their creativity as well.
All right, so what do we have in here?
Oh, this is our workshop area. So whenever we're getting dirty and the kids are taking stuff apart, we go through soldering, we do introduction to woodshop with the little guys, upcycled engineering. So whenever you gotta build, sand, screw stuff together, use power tools, we're in our workshop area here.
Okay, so we've talked a lot about lasers. Can you show me these lasers?
Yeah, absolutely. So welcome to our laser lab here. So on this side, it's kind of neat because on this side we have our 100-watt red machine that we've had for about 4 or 5 years. And after 4 or 5 years, we finally replaced our laser tube. So it's been super consistent, super reliable for us. So this is still in use, so everything still works 100%, which we're super stoked about because our students love hopping on this guy and cutting and engraving things out, and our teachers will too. But the newest addition that we have is our laser room here. And with our laser room, we have the 60-watt fiber laser, so it's our Galvo fiber laser. And then we also have the Pronto 45 100-watt here. So this nice addition is we're able to cut bigger things. We're able to double, triple our productivity, where if we have kids on that one, we could also have other students on this as well too. But they could see just how technology's kind of evolved over the years, from the red machine now to the Pronto and to the fiber, and how well that Galvo works.
Yeah.
So it's pretty cool to show the kids, and they always get so excited and they want to watch every single piece that's being cut out on the machines.
Yeah.
Congratulations on your partnership with OMTech. How does that make you feel, and what do you hope to achieve in collaborating with OMTech?
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I know we're excited to get new lasers in here and the collaboration with OMTech. Again, one of the big thing is to inspire students through just technology, get them excited about learning. There's so many things out there in today's world that kids get into. But if we get them excited through technology such as laser cutting, that'd be amazing. Some of the things that we plan to do with OMTech and the laser cutter is cutting new things out for the kids, customizing things. For example, if they're building a gravity-powered race car, we could cut out little license plates for them, and they could design it, customize it. Even for our robotics teams, our high school robotics teams that will come in here and use the laser to make the robots even better than they were before, whether they're laser cutting out wood or acrylic or adding final touches to their robot. We could do that now, or we couldn't do it before without the lasers. So now it's just we're leveling up the kids' education through OMTech, so it's pretty cool to see.
Education has always been a growing focus for OMTech. They're looking to partner with universities, schools, libraries, even STEM centers to further education. OMTech does have an exclusive partnership discount, as well as bundled courses and tutorials, as well as SVG files on their website. You can check that out at www.omtech.com. OMTech also offers local tech support for these different education programs. By supporting programs like Brain Builders, we're working to make manufacturing and technology more accessible to young people. OMTech's proud to support Brain Builders and their mission to support the future of STEM education. Together, we can empower the future of the next generation of makers. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.